Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyways, today's going to be how to make a bun. So what you're going to need is a hairbrush. Make sure the hair is completely brushed out. And then some bobby pins of whatever. So first what you're going to do is you're going to make like a ponytail shape. Then what you're going to do is you're going to kind of twist it. If you want it a little bit more like not as messy. If you don't care if you want a messy bun, you don't really have to twist it. You can just kind of throw it. So you're just going to kind of twist it until you get like, it might be a little bit messy. It's not going to be like the messiest. And then once you get to where you can put the bun, you're going to start pinning it. You're going to hold it and you're going to grab a bobby pin and pin it and just keep pinning it until you get it all pinned up where it's not going to fall down. So you're just going to grab bobby pins and keep pinning it. And then you might have to kind of adjust how you pin it until... Then if you have like some flyaways, you might want to use some hairspray and like stuff like that. Or add bobby pins in the bun. And then you're going to pin it from the bottom. You're going to keep pinning it. Sorry about that, you guys. Then you're just going to keep pinning it until you get to the desired look that you want. So you're going to have to get more bobby pins and stuff like that. And then there you have like a kind of a bun. So we're just going to keep pinning it until we can also take a bobby pin and pin that stuff flat or onto the head and connect it like that-ish until you get like the look that you were going for. I don't know if I like this pen or not. Actually, I kind of like it. Obviously, you can do a better job than this. I'm just using the Cinderella, the little like hair thing. So it'd probably be easier to do this on actual hair. Well, I mean, this is hair, but like on your own hair. Then you can take some more bobby pins if you think you need some more bobby pins. Yeah, so I'm going to get some more bobby pins. It's just going to take me a second. So enjoy that little bit of ASMR. And then we're just going to add some more bobby pins in the hair until we get to... You can also add like a bobby pin in there if you don't want those to show. And then you can kind of keep pinning it until you get the look that you want. And I think that looks actually pretty good. Let's say I like that. I like it a little bit messy. Then, okay, so let's say I want to add some, like, make it a little bit cuter, like a little something to it. Can add one of those or two of those. So you could add it like that. Or, okay, let's say you decide you don't like that. You can take those two things out of the hair. Then you can put this or like a bow or something and put it like that. Okay, let's say I like that. Or let's say, okay, I decided I didn't like that one and I like these two better. Then you can just add these two. And there you go. Then you have like a cute bun. They have a really cute bun. So I'm going to zoom in now on the bun. I mean, it's not like super cute. It's a little bit messy, but it's pretty cute. I mean, it's cute. It's not like the best bun I've ever made, but it will do. I mean, it will work. It's cute, but obviously it's not perfect. It's a little bit more on the mess. It's not like super messy and it's not super clean. So it's kind of in between a messy bun and like a perfect bun. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe down below. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much if you're a returning subscriber.